I just found the lightning phenomenon again in the TFC volcanoes with TFC stuff. It's only TFC. It required mods for it with and also the TFC TFC volcanoes, and lastly, the patriotically for the book. But this is what's happening. See? It happened again. It happened again. Rather exciting. I don't have any mods. I don't know if I can show, but I wish I could. Actually, I only have, last time I had when I started dating again, in this mod pack, it couldn't work because all the other mods I had installed weren't working and making it work. They were only resource packs though, but still, it wasn't that good. It should make it work. And there was a shader. I don't use it because it was making it worse. But when I deinstalled all of them, it was making me play in the mod pack again. See though? That's insane. I just came over and it's just, and made it, and I started recording after 5 seconds of I was making it, and I have to command G, and then it appears. And then I have to click the record button. It takes some time. But you see how long it's going? And that's just in one spot. I can show you what's happening there. There's nothing here. Nothing here. Cause all this damage to shit. And also, I can't edit videos, but hopefully you guys could, if you guys ever watched this, and make another video, make videos to learn people for headphones, because this is very loud quality. I can't edit the video. My editing software doesn't know. But it's gone on for 30 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm just recording it for how long that and to show you how long it lasts. Short answer is asking break it on. We passed the 4-minute mark, I think. I'm not thinking it's going to pass 5 minutes, but if it does, that's insane. This is definitely the most lightning in one spot hit for the longest time. Right? How much lightning is that? Now 4 minutes have passed. I have to close the video, but this is way too long. But see, this is TFC stuff, so that's why it looks different. And you can see here, this